Good morning to all of you. On previous turn, I have given the examples of, they have given the definition of hallucinogens and take the few examples of hallucinogenic plants and also give the classification on hallucinogen. Today I will take the more examples on hallucinogen plants. So first of all, today next group of plant is cannabis. What is called? It is poor man's heaven. Poor man's heaven. From this plant, more than 400 chemicals have been isolated, but the main chemical is responsible for pleasure effect is THC 9 tetrahydrocannabinol. This plant and the botanical name of this plant is Cannabis sativa family Cannabinaceae. This plant is also called as Indian hemp. This plant is basically from this plant three hallucinogens are isolated. Bhang, ganja and charas, and this is basically a dioecious shrub. That is male and female plants are separate. Female plant the tetrahydrobinol concentration, THC concentration is more in female plant. This cannabis sativa is used for three purposes. This cannabis sativa is used for three purposes. This is used in three purposes. First, it is used for pleasure effect. In the form of bhang, charas and ganja. Number two, From this plant, fiber is extracted. Fiber is extracted. And number 3 is, from this plant, oil is extracted, which is used as substitute to linseed oil. अलसी के तेल की जगह इसको यूज किया जाता है. Now, what is भांग? In this plant, multicellular glandular hair produced resins which contain THC. Which contain THC. And reproductive parts, resin is mostly abundant in reproductive parts. Now, what is bhang? What is bhang? Bhang consists of dried leaves and shoots, which is used in the form of beverages, especially during Holi. It is consumed as thandai. Next is ganja. Next is ganja. Ganja is rusty green color, having characteristic odor, and it is come from flowering top of female plant. It has got strong concentration of tetrahydrocannabinol. It has got strong concentration of THC, tetrahydrocannabinol. Next is charas. Next is charas or hashish. It is dark green or brown in color. Brown in color, and it is concentration resins. It is concentrated resins which is exudating from the leaves and stem of plant, which is exudating from leaves and stem of plant. Besides above these examples, common examples of hallucinogenic plants, there are some other plants from which hallucinogens plants are used as hallucinogens.